Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Mastodon, a social media app that's a bit different from Twitter or Facebook. Mastodon is a free, open-source social network. Instead of being controlled by one company, it's made up of thousands of independent servers, called instances. Each instance has its own rules and community, but you can still connect and interact with people across all servers. You create an account on one instance, post updates, follow others, and engage with content just like any social media app. Posts are called toots, and you can like, boost, or reply to them. Because it's decentralized, Mastodon gives users more control over privacy, moderation, and the type of content they see. People use Mastodon to escape ads, algorithm-driven feeds, and corporate control. It's popular among those who value free speech, online privacy, and communities that share specific interests.